Oh, Ruby Roo, thank goodness! Mr. Polar Bear is stuck outside in a terrible blizzard, and my snowmobile is broken!
Oh, biscuits! We're on our way! Set the scene, Eugene! We'll use our flying blanket and get Mr. Polar Bear back in no time.
Oh dear, that wind sure is strong.
Oh, fudge pops. We'll have to try something else.
That one gave me ice burn.
There has to be something we're not seeing.
Well, we better find something soon. The chocolate frost is starting to pick up.
Huh? Princess, what does this do? Oh!
Oh my! I heard legends of crystal tunnels, but I thought they were just a myth.
Oh, sweet sugar! Let's go! There he is!
Thank you for getting me out of there.
We're just glad you're okay.
Quickly, back into the tunnels. The chocolate frost is picking up.
What a great adventure, Eugene. Until tomorrow night. Time for bed.
I hope there's ice cream sandwiches tomorrow.